What if I told you your AI videos could start making you real money without ads, without clients, and without posting on YouTube? Because OpenAI just unlocked a brand new income stream, and almost everybody missed it. OpenAI has confirmed something huge. Sora is getting a revenue-sharing program. Just like YouTube pays creators for views, Sora will pay creators for something different. Your creativity, your AI videos, your animation styles, your scenes, characters, and ideas. If Sora uses your work to train its models, you get paid. Here's how it works. OpenAI announced that creators will receive compensation when their content helps improve Sora's video generation. That means if you've been generating videos, animations, short films, tutorials, or even reference scenes, all of that can turn into revenue. It's not just about posting, it's about contributing to the engine behind the next generation of AI filmmaking. This is the first major platform to pay people not for views, but for influence. Think about it. Artists, animators, YouTubers, TikTok creators, filmmakers, designers, storytellers. For the first time ever, your AI-generated content can literally become an asset, a digital property that earns you money while you sleep. And here's the crazy part. You don't need a huge audience. You just need high-quality creations that Sora can learn from. This is passive income, but for the AI era. So what should you do right now? Start building your own library of AI videos. Short scenes, transitions, characters, visual experiments, mini-stories, anything with creativity and motion. Because when the program officially launches, OpenAI will already be scanning the internet for content to reward. This is the new Hollywood. And for once, the door just opened for everyone. If you want a full guide on how to build an